Hey everybody, welcome to today's lesson, and we are going to look at time. So our subtopic today is subtracting time. How do we subtract time? So sit back and let's get ready for this lesson. So let's look at a scenario. A plane departs at 6:30 p.m. and arrives at 10:45 p.m. How long was this flight? How can I solve this problem? Which operation will I need to use? That's right, we will have to subtract in order to find out how long the flight was. So let's see how we subtract this problem. So first of all, we need to know our start time, which is 6:30, and our end time, which is 10:45. Then, in order to solve this problem, we are going to take away the start time from the end time. So I'm going to go ahead and write 10:45, take away 6:30. So we're going to set out the problem using hours and minutes. So I'll go ahead and I write up my column, and below this I'm going to put 10 hours 45 minutes, and below that 6 hours 30 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and take away. Now we're going to start to subtract from the minutes column. So I'm going to ask myself, can I take 30 minutes out of 45 minutes? Yes, if I take 30 minutes out of 45 minutes, I will be left with 15 minutes. Now I need to go over to the hours column. If I take 6 hours from 10 hours, what am I left with? That's right, I'm left with 4 hours. So the answer to the question is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So let's try another problem. Heroes Day celebration started at 7:30 a.m. and ended at 8:15 a.m. How long did the celebration last for? Again, how can I solve this problem? Very good. We're going to solve this by subtracting. So again, we need to write down the information that we should know. So our start time is 7:30 p.m. Our end time is 8:15. And so to solve the problem, we're going to take away the start time from the end time, which is 8:15 take away 7:30. So let's go ahead and set out our problems. Of course, we write hours and minutes, and below that I'm going to put 8 hours and 15 minutes, and then I'm going to have 7 hours and 30 minutes, and I'm going to take away that. Now I'm going to ask myself, starting with the minutes column, can I take 30 minutes out of 15 minutes? That's impossible, right? So 30 minutes cannot be subtracted from 15 minutes. Therefore, an hour is taken and added to the 15 minutes to make it 75 minutes. So we're going to go to the hours column and we're going to take 1 hour from 8, which leaves us with 7 hours. And that 1 hour that I took, I'm going to now change it to 60 minutes and add it to my 15 minutes, and I now end up with 75 minutes. So, do you think we can take 30 minutes away from 75 minutes? Yes, we can. When we take 30 minutes from 75 minutes, we are left with 45 minutes. So I will take that 45 minutes and I will put it below the minutes column. Now I'm going to go over to the hours column and I'm going to take away 7 from 7. I'm left with 0. So the solution to our problem is that the celebration lasted for 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you are now better at subtracting time. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about something that you are not certain about. So I'll see you in the next video.